Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 17th, 2022. In this edition, we have 9 extra puzzles, but half of them I will solve, and the first puzzle I have solved is the 3 stars Sudoku. We have 4 puzzles left. Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Binary puzzle, and a killer Sudoku. But let me continue with the second puzzle. Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 4563. And I've already counted the printed digits. 24 printed digits, and for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 2 2s, we have here 1 2 3 4 3s. Alright, 1 2 4 3 4s, 1 2 3 5s, 1 2 6s, 2 7s, and 3 8s, 2 9s. So let me see with the 3 then. 3, okay. Yeah, let me continue with the 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here, 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Alright. Then. Let me see which number can I pick. How about this big square? 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, middle row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this column, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And then, yeah. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be here. Alright. 1 2 I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 2 7, 1 2 7, 1 2 7, and look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Alright. Two missing numbers now. In this big square, four numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. All right. And then. How about I'm thinking. 5, 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the first column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. All right. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in the last row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. All right. Then. Yeah. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Thinking. 1 and 4. 8 should be here also. 8. Come on. Yeah. 6. Yeah. Where's the opening? The opening. Can see the opening right now. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column, the second column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. All right. That means we have 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Well, we have a 9 in, so 469. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 6 and 9, we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 6. All right. 6. 1, 2, and 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. All right. 7, 2, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have 3 numbers here, because we have here 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then. Yeah. 6, 8. I'm thinking. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see there another 4, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, and look, we have a 1 and a 7 in the middle column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 box left in the first row for number 9. 179, yes. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then. Interesting. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5, but overlooked this 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 or 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I can count. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be 8 2. 8 in the last row. 8 in that row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 2, 7 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square. Oh, wait. We have 1 number left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. Is this really a 4 stars? No, because then I need 30 minutes or more. 3 stars? No, because then I need 20 to 30 minutes. So I think it's a 2 stars Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles in this additional a tectonic with 4 stars binary and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.